Students, welcome to Excel tuition, and today we will see part 6 of the statistics for standard 10, how to calculate mode of the data. So let us start. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. So daily wages are given in rupees and number of workers. So we'll take the same data to find the mode of the daily wages of the workers of the factory. To find out the mode, first we will prepare a table, that is class interval Fi. All this information is given in the data table. The highest frequency is 14. So this is our Fi, this is F0 and F2. Given L is equal to 120, H is equal to 20, F0 is 12, F1 is equal to 14 and F2 is 8. We'll substitute this in the formula for the mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height. 20 plus 14 minus 12 upon 2 into F1, that is 14 minus 12 minus 8 into 20. So 14 minus 12 is 2, 14 to the 28 minus 20 minus 12 minus 8 is 20 into 20. So 120 plus 2 upon 8, that is 2 1 the 2 4 the 4 1 the 4 5 the. So 120 plus 5 is 25. So mode of our given data is 125. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more such videos.